Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use American Express gift card on Shein. It's very simple to do. This is an American Express gift card. So to use this, first go to Shein.com and choose your random item which you want to buy. For example, I am selecting this. And then select your color, size, and other things. Then select add to cart. After the item adding your cart, go to your cart, view cart, select view cart. Now then select checkout now, and that's it. Now enter your gift card number and pin, then select apply and select place order, and you have to add your shipping address also you add your shipping address, and that's it. That's how you can use MX gift card to Shein.